Welcome to our tutorial on the concurrency command in Splunk Search Processing Language. The concurrency command is a powerful tool that helps you measure concurrent events in your data. It calculates how many events are running simultaneously over time, which is essential for understanding system performance, user behavior, and resource utilization patterns. This command is particularly useful when you need to analyze overlapping activities or processes in your environment. The basic syntax of the concurrency command is straightforward. You start with the pipe symbol, followed by the keyword concurrency, then specify two required parameters. The start parameter defines the field containing the event start time, and the end parameter specifies the field containing the event end time. This simple structure forms the foundation for all concurrency analyses in Splunk. The concurrency command has two essential parameters that you must understand. The start parameter identifies the field in your data that contains the beginning timestamp of each event. The end parameter points to the field that contains the ending timestamp of each event. These two parameters work together to define the time span during which each event is considered active or running. Let's look at a practical example using web access logs. First, we search for events from the web index with access log source type. We then use the eval command to create a session start field based on the event time. Next, we calculate the session end time by adding 1800 seconds, which represents a 30-minute session duration. Finally, we apply the concurrency command using our calculated start and end times to measure how many user sessions are running simultaneously at any given moment. The concurrency command generates two important output fields. The underscore time field provides the timestamp for each measurement point, creating a timeline of your analysis. The concurrency field contains the actual count of simultaneous events at each point in time. This numeric value tells you exactly how many events were running concurrently at that specific moment, giving you valuable insights into peak usage periods and system load patterns. The concurrency command has several practical applications in real-world scenarios. You can monitor concurrent user sessions to understand peak usage times and plan for adequate system capacity. It's also valuable for tracking system resource usage during high demand periods, helping you identify when your infrastructure is under stress. Additionally, you can analyze process overlap to identify bottlenecks and optimize your system performance by understanding when multiple processes compete for the same resources. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.